How to fix Valorant graphics driver crash, Valorant crashing problem on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can fix if our Valorant's graphics driver has actually crashed and if it constantly keeps crashing. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the very first reason why this happens is due to your updated graphics driver. So first of all, you have to understand which graphics driver you use. In my case, to find this, what you have to do is just go ahead and then actually launch the device manager application. Then once you launch the device manager app, you simply want to head over to display adapters, and then here you can see in my case I'm actually using an NVIDIA graphics card. So if you're using NVIDIA, I recommend you go ahead and then simply open the GeForce Experience application, which should be available by default. And if you're actually using AMD graphics card, you can just go ahead and open up AMD Radeon software and install it as well accordingly. So in this case, I'll just open the GeForce Experience app. Once you open GeForce Experience, just navigate to the drivers tab from the top, and then here select check for updates. If there are any type of updates available for any type of graphics card, you want to make sure to go ahead and then install the latest GeForce graphics card driver. Now after this is done, what you also want to do is you simply want to go ahead and then open up system settings. Once you open up system settings, go to Windows Update, and once you go to Windows Update, make sure to install the update to the latest version. If there is even a tiniest bit of update available, go ahead and then update it as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then update or fix the Valorant crashing problem. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then make sure to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.